Welcome to Life Hacks After 50, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for living a healthier, more vibrant life. Today, we're diving into the world of apple cider vinegar, specifically the debate between raw and filtered. Which one should you choose, and why does it matter? Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been a staple in many households for centuries, celebrated for its numerous health benefits. But when you're standing in the grocery store, you might wonder, should you go for the raw, unfiltered version or stick with the filtered kind? Let's start with raw apple cider vinegar. This version is unfiltered and unpasteurized, meaning it retains the mother, a cloudy substance made up of proteins, enzymes, and beneficial bacteria. The mother is believed to be where most of the health benefits come from, including improved digestion, enhanced immune function, and even better skin health. If you're looking to maximize the health benefits of ACV, raw is the way to go. On the other hand, filtered apple cider vinegar has been processed to remove the mother, resulting in a clear, smooth liquid. While it still contains acetic acid, which is responsible for many of ACV's benefits, it lacks the enzymes and probiotics found in the raw version. Filtered ACV is often pasteurized, which extends its shelf life, but reduces some of its nutritional value. So, which one should you choose? If you're using apple cider vinegar primarily for its health benefits, raw, unfiltered ACV is your best bet. The mother adds an extra punch of nutrients that you won't find in the filtered variety. However, if you're simply using it for cooking, cleaning, or as a mild flavor enhancer, filtered ACV will do the trick and is often preferred for its milder taste and appearance. In summary, if your goal is to harness the full spectrum of apple cider vinegar's health benefits, opt for raw, unfiltered ACV. But if you're looking for a versatile household staple with a longer shelf life, filtered ACV is a good choice. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching Life Hacks After 50. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips tailored for you. And as always, keep living your best life.